You guys, Echo Park is having another warehouse sale. And oh my gosh, I had to place an order because you guys know I've been waiting for the Winnie the Pooh paper to be part of the warehouse sale. Now, I did want the Winnie the Pooh regular, the Winnie the Pooh baby. I wanted this other non-Winnie the Pooh one called Big Builder, like a construction one. It was just like a baby or kid themed paper. And I also wanted Winnie the Pooh Christmas. Now, the only one they have on sale as part of the warehouse sale is Winnie the Pooh Christmas. I'm still going to be looking for all the other ones, for all the other warehouse sales. They have one like every single month. So I will still be looking for those, but I did place an order because they had Winnie the Pooh Christmas. So I want to share with you guys what they have as part of this warehouse sale. And I will have a coupon code for you guys that I found. So that will be in the comment section down below. I'm going to have a pinned comment with the coupon code for an additional 10% off in case you guys want to get anything from the warehouse sale. And no, I am not affiliated with them. I don't make any money if you guys buy anything. I don't make any money if you guys use the code. I wish they had an affiliate program. They do not. I just wanted to share with you guys what they have as part of the sale and give you guys the code that I was able to use for my own purchase as well to get an additional 10% off. So let's get into the video and I'm going to share with you guys what they have this time around. Okay, you guys are ready to shop. So this warehouse sale is going on now through February 28th. They have more things happening than just the warehouse sale though. So if you guys actually go up here to the sale section, they have a warehouse sale, they have a spring and Easter kit sale, they have a Valentine's collection sale, and they also have the mini mystery box sale, which is I think $35. So they have a lot of sales going on. You could get a bunch of different things. I know the mystery boxes, I'm pretty sure those are free shipping on its own, but then everything else is free shipping, $50 or more. So we're just gonna go through the warehouse sale. They have all these categories. They have a ton, you guys, and they have been having a lot of categories lately. So I'm just gonna go through the collection kits and the 6x6 pads. Obviously, go through anything else your heart desires, anything else you're looking for. Maybe you're looking for mega pads. I don't really buy those often, but in case you are looking for mega pads, they did have a Winnie the Pooh Christmas mega pad. I just decided to get the 6x6 in the collection kit. So that's what I did. And then I did get some stuff from their Valentine's Day sale because they didn't really have Valentine's Day here or the collection that I wanted. So for collection kits, they are $7.50 each, or 4 for $28, or 10 for $65. I ended up getting the 10 because I got like 4 of just the Winnie the Pooh Christmas. So yeah. Oh, and then I got 3 of this one. If you guys saw one of my notebook videos, I made a bunch of 3x4 size mini notebooks. I made a bunch, and these were the cutest notebooks ever. I got 3 more collection kits of this Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. It was so cute, you guys. I'm gonna have that video linked down below in case you guys want to see what I made with that. But so many people loved that collection, and it's not a collection that I'm looking at and I'm like, oh my gosh, I love. But when I started crafting with it, it was just like, it was the cutest thing. So I do recommend getting the Have a Holly Jolly Christmas collection. Then obviously March is coming up, St. Patrick's Day. We have Easter coming up in April. I think it's April this year, right? More Easter collections. I did not get any of them, though I probably could have gotten this one because I don't have this one in my stash. But it's okay. I don't craft a lot of Easter anyway. They've got some spring collections, still a lot of Christmas. They have a lot of Christmas collections in general. Another Easter one here, another spring themed one. This is, I think, a Valentine's Day collection from last year, I want to say. They've got some baby. I love this By the Sea collection. They don't make this anymore. So in case you guys want to get that during a warehouse sale because you can't find it anywhere else. They have some dog themed collections. I love my dog, Bark, and my dog. I love all 3 of them, but my favorite is the I love my dog one. It's just so cute. And my second favorite is Bark, but I like to get all 3 because I just make all the things. They have this Here Comes Spring collection, more baby, winter, some travel. This is a homemade collection here, so maybe like a kitchen-y themed one. You know what? I probably should have gotten that one. I'm making some recipe albums lately. Let's see. Halloween, fall, more Christmas, more fall. Winterland is really, really cute, you guys, for a winter themed collection. They've got Disney collections, 4th of July, Birthday Girl. Dynamite is so cute. They got some summer ones, more baby, more baby, more baby. But I love all my BB collections. I have them all. Birthday Boy. I just finished using some Birthday Boy and Birthday Girl 6x6 paper pads. And I have a couple of 12x12s I want to use up as well. So whenever I get to that. But then I'll be needing some more birthday ones because then I'll be running low of those really cute ones. Though I should probably use other ones that I have in my stash too. I did get one of these, the Good to Be Home. It is a home themed collection. It was a newer one. I think it was this year or last year. No, I think it was last year because now we're in 2025. So yeah, they have a variety of stuff, you guys. Oh, they had the sweater weather collection, which was cute for a fall themed harvest. They actually have it as part of the sale this time. I think I did pick some up from Country Craft Creations though, so I didn't get any this time, but that was one I was waiting for as well, because all the other times they had that still at like $13. It wasn't even on sale. Now it is. The Nutcracker, that's a newer one. I think the Spooktacular Halloween is a new-ish one. Possibly this Halloween Fun. I did pick up one of these, the Halloween Fun, and one of the Spooktacular. I picked one up last time also, but now I have two. Well, I will have two when it arrives. Let's see. Nobody wants the stateside one. So, unless you do, I don't know, but I feel like that's one that I always get in like a mystery box, and I don't know what to do with it. Here's the Winnie the Pooh Christmas, you guys. Like I said, I got 4 of the Winnie the Pooh Christmas. I am so excited to craft with that, you guys. It's gonna be so fun and so cute. And then they have this last page of 12x12 collection kits as well. And then for their 6x6 paper pads, we've got them here. They do have the Winnie the Pooh here as well, wherever that is. More baby. I used this little boy one as well. That one was so cute. Oh, here's the birthday boy one I just crafted with, and the birthday girl. So if you guys wanted to make some card folios like I did, and I have some albums coming up this month as well to share with you guys that I made with that, you guys can get some of your 6x6 paper pads because I did all 6x6 papers this month. Dynamite, the Love Notes, that was new either last year or the year before. I want to say it was last year though. Or I guess it was last year, 2024, but it might say 2023 because when they release it, it technically would have been 2023, but for 2024, I guess, for that season. This one right here, this Valentine's Day one, this is a new one. So I picked up this one as well. And because they have the Valentine's Day sale, I picked up the collection kit. Now, it wasn't part of the warehouse sale. It is part of the Valentine's Day sale, though, specifically. And it's, instead of $7.50, it's $8 for the full 12x12 collection kit. So I did get one of those also, because why not? I probably could have gotten this home-themed one and maybe this 6x6, but I didn't. I was trying to not buy too much, but somehow, yet you still spend like a little under $100, even with the coupon code, you guys. I don't know how it happens, but it just does. Anyway, so lots more collections and stuff and other things on sale. Here is the Valentine's Day sale. So like I said, they do have the 12x12, not that one. Where is it? It's on one of these pages. I know I just did a search for it. Not that one. Is it on page 3? Let's see. Okay, I don't know where it is, but I just typed in Valentine's Day and it popped up right here. So this collection kit, and it came out to $8. See, $8. So that is a newer one. I believe that's the one that Lulu that sent me some happy mail. I believe that's the one that she used in her folio. So very, very cute. And then they had the spring and Easter kit sale, so you could, you know, shop that section as well. Some of this is part of the warehouse sale, and then just have other things as well that you could pick up. But it's easy to filter this out this way if you guys are looking for Easter or spring as well, because that's right around the corner. Anyway, you guys, and then the mini mystery box sale, $35, you guys, and it's like a mystery box. I love the mystery boxes, but I didn't need any. Anyway, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys about the warehouse sale. Wishing you guys some happy shopping. Let me know if you guys are buying anything. Just let me know in the comment section down below. I know I'm an enabler, but it's okay. I just want to let you guys know about these awesome deals. You can't pass up on deals, right? Anyway, so that is all. Again, the coupon code I have pinned in my comment down below for an extra 10% off. And that is all. So I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Bye.